before we go, let's check our bike first. So here's a Trinks bike. It's an 8-speed 3x8. It's got some different tires. So you can see the mud in my wheels. That's the testament that I crashed the other day. I tried to cross the road, and that was under construction and it's full of mud, and I crashed. So again, it's a 1.95 CST tire on the front and 2.1 at the back. I haven't upgraded the pedals yet, but the crank is Shimano. So we got bootleg shifters here, an Altus, and another Altus here. That's it. That's pretty different from the other one. So guys, my shifter at the back, the rear derailleur is alright, but the right shifter is already busted and I couldn't change gears. So good luck later on. I got my pump, and I got some bags here that I haven't used for years or months already. So in this bag, that's where all my water goes in. And here, some bread, a change of clothes, and a Bluetooth speaker so that I can stay sane when I get home. Yeah, so it goes in here. You know, it's kind of convenient that you can stuff a lot of things inside without having to carry them in your back. But the bike does get heavier. So this is where my phone goes, and some tools like the patch kit, and this is where the towel goes and the rain cover for my bags. But I still have another bag here, but I don't want to use it because it's gonna look excessive. Not gonna go far anyway. So I have discovered a shortcut to Biñan from Santa Rosa when I was riding a motorcycle with my dad. I figured out why not try it with a mountain bike. There's a lot of gravel there and some rocky roads. So let's see how I'll hold up. I hope I'll not die. Just kidding. So guys, as you can already see, it's already hot outside. No, I'm counterflowing. I'm bato counterflow. So we're not gonna take the highway. We're gonna take the scenic route. This is the portal that we're going in. So that was lots of traffic that I'm willing to endure just to not take the highways. So unlike the highways, you can see that there are some greeneries here. Not much smoke, but maybe some dust from construction. I won't make the same mistake again of slipping through the mud. So my wheel can take all the mud it can But just never dismount me, please. So I think it rained earlier. The road is slippery. So that's the truck that I'm talking about, guys. Not gonna die today. I'm gonna let them pass first. Oops. Oops. The nightmare section. I believe there's another one in here. So guys, the exit of this one is Pavillion Mall. So I don't know if you guys see it, but that's the expressway right there. If you've ever been, if you've ever passed through the expressway at some point in your life, going south, you're gonna see something familiar here later on. So we're now under the bridge of the expressway. It's pretty much an open area without that much people. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. If you're from the Philippines and you go here in the expressway, now you can see this one, Royal Cargo. You're pretty much sure that you're already near Santa Rosa, Laguna if you see this thing. So what's above here is the beams of the expressway, the one that prevents us from going up there, and using my bike to bike in the expressway. I just wish they allow us to bike there. So guys, I really like exploring new roads so that I can avoid the highway entirely, and this is the result. To get a high adrenaline roads that might turn me into roadkill. I hope not. But you know what, guys, this heavy load my bike is carrying, it's not that much imposing. I can still balance my bike. It's awesome. At the other side, and now I might need the Google Maps to go to Pavillion Mall. the Laguna International Industrial Park, LIIP for short. Let's zoom that in without sticker. So that's an industrial park. A lot of factories are in there, and the road that we took serves as a shortcut for those people from Santa Rosa. So yeah, there's also a barangay here that leads to. So guys, we're already at 5 kilometers. I can't believe that only took 5 kilometers. So again, that's the truck. I'm gonna look for my side mirror. After I get through after I go to the Esplanade, I guess I'll go home. So there's Calax. Oh my god, it's so hot here. See guys? Noticed the chaos earlier. This thing might take me to God knows where. Kuya, dito ba yung papuntang Pavillion? Salamat to. So we got a confirmation from fellow bikers. Thank you. We're now bound for Pavillion. Oh, I think they're going left. Are they? I don't know why they're going left, but let me collect my thoughts first. Yeah guys, they went left. They went left because the road that leads there goes to the expressway. So we're now Brent. Okay, sorry if I unceremoniously turned right earlier. Must have irritated the drivers. It's very, very hot today. But I like the wind. It's cold even though the sun's out. There are a lot of trees here. Let's make it that. It somehow makes the heat tolerable. think that's interesting. If you have seen the road earlier that leads to the old railroad, I think I can go through there. But it's under construction, so it might not be the case. So here's Pavillion Mall. One of the traits of Filipinos is the love of malling. I've been to malls a lot of times already just to get some air, some cold air and things like that. Here's probably the highway.